Want to ask questions like have you eaten or has she arrived? In this video, you'll learn how to form yes no questions in the present perfect tense with 40 real examples and answers to help you speak fluently and confidently. Let's get started. Structure of yes no questions in present perfect tense. To ask yes no questions about experiences or actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past but are relevant to the present. Use this structure have or has plus subject plus past participle V3 plus object. Let's discuss this structure in detail. Helping verb. Have and has are the helping verbs. Use have with I, you, we, they. Use has with he, she, it. Examples. Have you seen the movie? Yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. Has she finished her work? Yes, she has. Or no, she hasn't. Now let's practice yes no questions with answers in present perfect tense. Have you eaten breakfast?
Yes, I have.
Has he arrived at school?
No, he has not.
Have they finished the project?
Yes, they have.
Has he gone to the market?
Yes, she has.
Have you read this book?
No, I have not.
Have we met before?
Yes, we have.
Has it stopped raining?
No, it has not.
Have I done anything wrong?
No, you have not.
Have you called the doctor?
Yes, I have.
Has she written the letter?
Yes, she has.
Have they played this game before?
No, they have not.
Have we missed the bus?
Yes, we have.
Has he broken the glass?
No, he has not.
Have you completed your homework?
Yes, I have.
Has your mother cooked dinner?
Yes, she has.
Have they cleaned the room?
No, they have not.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, I have not.
Has she ever driven a car?
Yes, she has.
Have we visited this place before?
Yes, we have.
Has it happened before?
No, it has not.
Have you seen my phone?
No, I have not.
Has he taken his medicine?
Yes, he has.
Have they told you the news?
No, they have not.
Have you made a decision?
Yes, I have.
Has your friend joined the class?
No, she has not.
Have you heard that song?
Yes, I have.
Has he closed the door?
Yes, he has.
Have we forgotten something?
No, we have not.
Have you opened the file?
No, I have not.
Has he left the office?
Yes, she has.
Have they found their keys?
No, they have not.
Has he written the report?
Yes, he has.
Have you taken a photo?
Yes, I have.
Has the cat eaten its food?
No, it has not.
Have you painted the wall?
No, I have not.
Has your brother gone to college?
Yes, he has.
Have they arrived at the airport?
Yes, they have.
Has it become dark outside?
No, it has not.
Have you cleaned your shoes?
Yes, I have.
Has he passed the exam?
Yes, she has.
Well done. Now you know how to ask and answer yes no questions in present perfect tense. Practice them daily to speak confidently and naturally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and powerful English grammar lessons. Thank you.